continues on the Weather Channel.
Hurricane Ivan is now starting to lash the panhandle of Florida. I'm meteorologist Mike Bettis live in Pensacola. We'll have an update for you straight ahead.
We'll bring you the latest on the massive hurricane entering the Gulf of Mexico.
And let's go ahead and show you the very latest here on Hurricane Ivan. Again, this is still a very dangerous hurricane, and we think it will be as it continues to move northward, and we think it will be at least a major hurricane when it makes landfall. So it's capable of a lot of destruction.
Mike, what can you tell us about the evacuations in that area?
Well, Carl, the mandatory evacuations for Escambia County and Santa Rosa County began this morning at 6 a.m. for those low-lying areas, the barrier islands there,
Beautiful
and
beaches there,
mobile
but they
homes.
may
And so
not be
people
that
are
way.
heeding those evacuation orders.
They just went ahead and turned off their water and turned off their power, and they evacuated. We met many residents today.
In 2004, Hurricane Ivan struck the small Caribbean island of Grenada. The hurricane struck with such force that 90% of homes were damaged or completely destroyed. This was the first hurricane to directly hit the island in 49 years. Less than a year after this devastation, nature struck the island once again with Hurricane Emily. Grenada had problems before the hurricanes, with employment running at 18% and income of around $5,000 per capita. Many people were leaving the island for more prosperous lives in Brooklyn, Toronto and London. Many parents left the island in order to send money home to their children in order to give them a better life. Reach Grenada aims to improve the lives of the island's children through recreation, education, arts, community and health, 5 key areas of any upbringing. Through the Bartholomew J. Lawson Foundation for Children, Reach Grenada will enable thousands of children to grow up with the skills needed for a prosperous life. The circle of life should not be broken by calamity or hardship, and children should be given equal opportunity to learn and grow. Reach Grenada can have an enormous effect on the lives of so many people, but it is only through long-term sustainability that it can succeed. Karen Lawson and Neo Morton set up Sanctuary Grenada, a company dedicated to the promotion, production and distribution of Grenadian cacao and chocolate.
The plants were destroyed, so the need to process was no more, and these facilities just are standing still, disused. It's a real shame because cocoa and spice really are the gems of this country, Grenada, this island, Grenada's production.